Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm going to show you how to ripen up your tomatoes, the green ones. The ones that fell off already reached their size on the vine and you can't get them ripe on the vine, and you go ahead and picked it and you want to get them ripe. Or even guys, if you're coming out to the fall time, coming out close to the winter time, you do want to make sure you harvest all your tomatoes, pick all your tomatoes out. So if you don't know how to get your tomato ripe on the vine, guys, end of this video I'm gonna leave one of my other video I did about how to get your tomatoes ripe on the vine. But this one, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get your tomatoes ripe indoor. And guys, there's some easy ways you could do it. I did a couple ways before. The simple way, you could just put it in a nice container and just leave it out on the countertop for a couple days, probably up to a week. And believe it or not, it did work. I put a bunch. I had like this bamboo bowl and I put a bunch there, and within a week, I would say it did get ripe. So it's not that hard to get it ripe. But if you want to speed thing up, you could put it in a paper bag, which everybody does. I did put it in a paper bag, but I'm not a big fan of it because I had one of the tomatoes went bad and it got rotten, and it was leaked through the paper bag and it was all over. But if you don't have a lot of tomatoes, put it in a paper bag. It's perfectly fine. But I'm going to show you the way that I did it today. And I did try out putting an apple inside and to speed it up, but for some reason I did not get the best result. It did work good, but I didn't get the best result with the apple. If you guys look right here, I do have what I put for speed up mine is my banana. Been in there about 4 days. So you can see I'm gonna be eating this banana out today, and I'm gonna be putting a new banana in. Do you change your bananas? I'm guessing I'm gonna change my banana because I don't want it to go to waste anyway. So we're gonna take that out and eat it. You can see 2-3 days ago, it's still green, but one of them is now turning yellow. This probably been in here 4 or 5 days. So this was green when I put it in, and I put in this yesterday. So every time I go in the garden, there's always like one break. One is on the ground, or even like I pulled the garden hose the other day and I knocked a couple down and I'm like, oh god. So these guys were green. These cherry tomatoes, they get red really fast. Even if you put it on the counter with the cherry tomatoes, within a couple days these guys get red, so they're not a big problem. The bigger ones, the bigger tomatoes are the hard problem. This here is already changing colors within a few days. I would say definitely add in a banana to a cardboard box. And see what I do, guys, I'll show you guys. So I'll close up the cardboard box, I'll put something on top or either fold it in, and I'll close this with a banana inside. And every 2 days, every 2 to 3 days, I'll check it, and then after I check it, I'll take out the red ones and then add more green ones if I have more green ones. But so far most of my tomatoes have been ripened on the vine, so that's one good thing. But definitely, guys, I think for me, everybody gets a better result in different way, but my result, adding a banana inside. So guys, on the bottom, guys, I do have a paper, a regular brown paper I spread inside. So using the box, definitely a big advantage. It's more space. You could get a bigger box. You could put in so much tomatoes inside, and then you could just cover it easy. This is one of the fastest way to speed up your green tomatoes to get ripe, turn red, delicious tomatoes. If your green tomato falls off, don't worry about it, guys. You could still get it ripe. Just put it in a box, put a banana in, close it up for a couple days, and you'll be fine. Enjoy nice, delicious tomatoes. Alright, guys, hopefully this video was helpful, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also give thumbs up if you like my video, and guys, please do share my videos to help other gardeners or anyone. I do appreciate all the support from everyone, and thank you guys so much for watching. Any question, please leave in the comment below. I always try my best to answer.